Today I am replacing my dull headlights to these. Stay tuned. Gotta take the grill off now. Take out these 6 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there they are right there. I keep missing one. Oh, they are right there. 2, 4, 6. Alright, off the grill is next. If you see here, I noticed that the headlights that I got are sort of loose. Once you put them in the bracket right here, it was a little bit shaky. So I got some old weather seal. You know, you need this if you got a Jeep. Definitely a soft top. So I made it look tacky on the outside, but nobody's gonna see this. I made sure I put some weather seal strips, sticky strips around the edge, and I put a little bit inside of here. So when I screw it in, it'll be nice, firm, nothing shaking. The worst thing you want is light shaking when you're driving, like you're driving a tractor trailer or something. You don't want that. All done. Now it's time to put the grill back on.